Assalamu alaikum guys, today we'll be making Yemeni Maraq. For this recipe you will need veal meat, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, mixed spices, black onion powder, red chili paste and salt. Add a little bit of the oil and the onion into a pan and occasionally stir until the onion becomes golden. Once the onion is golden, add the meat and stir. After that, add the spices and the salt and mix. Cover the pan up and occasionally stir the meat. Once the juices on the bottom of the pot evaporate, add the tomatoes, the chili paste, and the black onion powder and mix. Cover the pot once again and occasionally stir until the juices evaporate. Once the juices have evaporated, add a little bit of boiling water and cover the pot while occasionally stirring the maraq. After the water has dried up, fill it with the water just enough until it barely covers the meat. Let the meat curry boil on high heat for 10 minutes before lowering the heat and letting it simmer for about 30 minutes or until the meat is cooked. Once the meat is cooked, take a small amount of the soup and pour it into a bowl to cool down for a bit before mixing it with some flour. Gradually add the flour mixture into the maraq until it begins to thicken. Once the maraq has thickened, take it off the heat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.